Hello friends, today we are going to talk about why visual filtering or visual focus is a challenge in autistic children. If I'm giving them pens of 10 different colors, will they be able to focus on any of them? Instead, they'll focus on anything in the room except these pens. So they'll look sideways, they will start flapping their hands, wiggling their fingers, anything but focus on these pens. So today let us learn a few techniques by which we can improve this visual focus in children. Step number 1. Try to use contrast-based activities. So if you want your child to color in a picture, try to give them a choice between two contrasting colors. Which of these colors would you like to take? And let them select it rather than telling them pick black color out of these two, because if you're specifically giving them exactly which color they're supposed to pick, then you have started to direct them for the activity. Step number 2, the number of choices that you give. If you have progressed your child to get interested in like a coloring activity, then you want them to select the color that you are asking. So you can say, okay, let us make the circle pink. In this, if you try to give them 20 colors or 12 colors all placed in a line, they're going to get confused and pick any color that they like. Instead, in the initial stages, try to offer only 2 choices and keep them away from each other rather than close, so that they end up picking just any of them. Because visual filtering involves some separation between the stimuli. Step number 3. Try to play hidden object games. Not on paper, but with physical objects. So for example, ooh, I have a pink color in my hand and I have a purple color. One color is gone. So they will say purple. Yes, so don't say no, purple is still in my hand. They are recognizing the color in your hand. So say yes, the purple color is still there. So which color is gone? And then they might end up saying pink color, or they might still say purple color. You said yes, you can take the purple color. So the other color was, and they might say pink. Next step, try to get them to practice with similar colors also. So I'm holding the 3 colors, red, orange and pink, but away from each other so that it is easy for the child to focus on any one color at the same time. So you can say, let us color the square orange. So it is easier for them to pick one color, but if it is very close to red, they might get confused and might mistake red for orange. After that, you can say, okay, orange is done. So you remove that color and say, let us make the triangle pink. So once they take the next color, you can actually ask them a question here. And now we are going to color the diamond with, and they will say red color. Next step is the half and half game. Try to make this kind of picture with them where they have one shape like a circle, but it is divided into 2 semicircles. So what happens, both the colors will come close to each other. So you can say, let us color first with blue, so that they understand that they have a boundary inside which they color with the first one, and then offer them the next one. Here, don't try to provide choices, because already there is a choice of exactly which section and under which boundary they are going to color. It becomes easier for them to filter this information. Visual focus games are not necessarily all to do with coloring or sorting or matching. Give them general games which help them to adjust to visual stimulations from the environment. So, for example, taking a number of colors in your hand and rolling. Oh, let's be careful and not drop them. So if they drop one, oh no, we dropped 2 of them. Let them pick up those colors. So this is also part of visual filtering, where they notice exactly where did they drop the pens and let them pick up. Another part of visual filtering could be called as reaction time to the visual stimulation. So for example, let us try to say the name of the color that I'm dropping down. Green, red, blue. Wait for them to say the name of the color. If you try to drop it and wait for them, they might not have noticed. Instead, keep the pen here. When they say the name of the color, then you drop it. And the final step of the activity could be try to get them to engage with both the hands at the same time, because it's an excellent activity where midline orientation can be developed in the child rather than them focusing on one side, usually side on which they stim a lot. So in this way, the midline orientation comes and the visual focus would be better because it will be in the midline. So the child can make continuous dots with both the pens together, or they can draw lines with it, and so on. Let me know if you found these visual focus activities interesting by liking the video, subscribing to the channel for more videos related to autism awareness, acceptance, and child development. Ring the bell icon for notifications. Add any queries or suggestions in the comments below, and we'll meet again soon. Bye.